How you doing? It's Rhino here, Primo Motor Cars. Just wanted to shoot this quick little video for you, like I told you I would, of this ProMaster. I think it's got some interesting features that you might like. 2015 Ram ProMaster City with only 25,000 miles on it. We're doing $16,995 on this. It is a really clean little vehicle. Backup camera also. Good front end. Very clean vehicle. Your carpet. Nice seats. It's got this panel back here which helps the AC stay in here inside the cab of the vehicle. Room back here. I wanted to show you. Check this out. Shelving units back here. Each shelf capacity is over 300 pounds. They lock into place. All right. Slide out, and they all have locks on them too. So all you got to do is lift up this little lever here and push forward, and it'll lock into place again. Really nice. See, you still have room back here to put other stuff. You got a door on the other side to get through, and this is a fiberglass wall for your AC system. Pretty neat. Taking the time to watch this video, I appreciate it. Give me a call, 808-334-1111. Thank you very much.